Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, students. So now open page number 48 in your English textbook. Okay, students. So today I am going to teach you a new poem. Who has seen the wind? Students, first I will read this poem, okay, and you have to repeat after me. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Christina Rossetti. Students, now I will explain you this poem. Okay, pay attention here. Who has seen the wind? Wind यानी हवा. Okay, क्या किसी ने हवा को देखा है? Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. यहाँ पे जो पोएट है क्रिस्टीना रोसेटी, ओके, वो पूछते हैं कि क्या किसी ने हवा को देखा है? ना मैंने देखा है, ना तुमने देखा है. Neither I nor you. ना मैंने देखा है, ना तुमने देखा है. But when the leaves hang trembling, students, trembling, Trembling, trembling. Trembling means what? Shaking a little. लेकिन जब पेड़ पे लगे लीव्स यानी पत्ते, ओके, जब पेड़ पे लगे पत्ते फड़फड़ाते हैं, ट्रेम्बलिंग यानी फड़फड़ाना, ओके, द विंड इज पासिंग थ्रू, तब हमें पता चलता है कि हवा वहां से गुजर रही है. ओके, हु हैज सीन द विंड? Neither you nor I. किसने हवा को देखा है? ना मैंने देखा है, ना तुमने देखा है. But when the trees bow down their heads, students, bow down means move head forward and downwards. Okay, so but when the trees bow down their heads, लेकिन जब बड़े बड़े पेड़ अपना सर झुका लेते हैं, बो डाउन, ओके, सो द विंड इज पासिंग बाय, तब हमें पता चलता है कि वहाँ हवा है जो गुजर रही है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि हवा है वो हमें दिखती नहीं है, ओके, हम उसे जस्ट महसूस कर सकते हैं. सो या कोई उसके कारण झुकती है तो हमें पता चलता है कि हवा चल रही है. ओके, नाउ आई विल रीड दिस वर्ड मीनिंग्स. ओके, NEITHER, neither. Neither means not the one or the other of two things or people. TREMBLING, trembling. Trembling means shaking a little. PASSING, passing. THROUGH, through. Passing through. Passing through means going through a place. BOWDOWN, bow down. Bow down means move head forwards and downwards. PASSING BY, passing by. Passing by means going past something. Okay students, so these word meanings you have to write in your English notebook. Understood? Now we will do the exercise. Exercise A, circle A or B for the correct answer. Students, in this exercise you have to circle the correct answer. Okay, number 1, who has seen the wind? A, everyone has seen the wind. B, no one has seen the wind. Students, tell me which is the correct answer. Yes, B is the correct answer. Okay, no one has seen the wind. यानी कोई हवा को देख नहीं सकता. Okay. Number 2. When the leaves shake, we know the wind is blowing. B. The wind is blowing. Students, tell me which is the correct answer? Yes, A is the correct answer. The wind is blowing. So circle on A. Now number 3. When the wind passes by the trees, A. Stand straight. B. Bend down. Students, tell me which is the correct answer? Yes, B is the correct answer. Okay. When the wind passes by the trees, bend down. So circle on B. Number 4. The head of a tree means A. The trunk of the tree. B. The topmost part of the tree. Which is the correct answer? Yes, B. The topmost part of the tree. The head of a tree means the topmost part of the tree. Okay, so circle on B. Now we will do exercise B1. Circle the stranger in the following sets. Number 1. Sun, wind, air. Students, here which is a stranger word? Tell me. Yes, sun is the stranger word. Okay, so circle on this word because wind और air दोनों का मीनिंग सेम होता है. ओके, विंड यानी हवा, एयर यानी भी हवा. ओके. नाउ नंबर 2. TREMBLE tremble, RUN run, SHIVER shiver. Students, here which is the stranger word? Yes, run is the stranger word. So circle on this word. Next, number 3. BOW bow, BEND band, BREAK break. Students, tell me which is the stranger word here? Yes, break is the stranger word because bow and bend दोनों का मीनिंग क्या होता है? झुकना. ओके, सो हियर ब्रेक इज द स्ट्रेंजर वर्ड. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4. THERE there, HEAR here, HERE hears. Okay, so here which is the stranger word? HEAR here. Here यानी सुनना. Okay, so this is the stranger word. So circle on this word. Now number 5. OWL owl, EAGLE eagle, BAT bat. So here which is the stranger word here? Eagle is the stranger word. So circle on this word. Next number 6. RAINY rainy, GRASSY grassy, STORM stormy. So students, here the which is the stranger word? Grassy is the stranger word. Okay, because rainy and stormy both are the seasons name. So grassy is the stranger word. Now we will do exercise B2. Make adjectives by adding ing to the verbs within brackets. Then write the adjectives in the blanks. Students, here verbs are given in the bracket. So you have to add ing into them and make adjective. Okay. Number 1. A dash star. TWINKLE twinkle. So what you have to do? You have to add ing into them. So write down here TWINKLING twinkling. A twinkling star. Number 2. A dash parrot. TALK talk. So talk का क्या हो जाएगा? Talking. So write down here TALKING talking. A talking parrot. Number 3. And dash story. EXCITE excite. So exciting. So write down here EXCITING exciting. Number 4. A dash bear. DANCE dance. So dance, dancing. DANCING dancing. A dancing bear. Number 5. A dash girl. LAUGH laugh. Laugh, laughing. So write down here Laughing. Laughing. A laughing girl. Okay students, now turn your page. Now part C, writing. The wind. Write 7 sentences about the wind. Use phrases from the box 1, box 2 and box 3. Students, here you have to make 7 sentences about the wind, okay? And you have to use these phrases. Number 1. Everyone can hear the wind. So write down here. Everyone can hear the wind. Everyone can hear the wind. Now everyone can feel the wind. So write down here. Everyone can feel the wind. Then can see. So what we have to use? No one. Okay. No one can see the wind. So write down here. No one can see the wind. Then can touch. So write down here. No one can touch the wind. No one can touch the wind. Now can taste. So write down here. No one can taste the. Sorry students, here you write down no one can touch it, okay? Then no one can taste it. Next, can eat. No one can eat it, okay? So write down here. No one can eat it. No one can smell it, okay? So write down here. No one can smell it. Now D part, listening and speaking. Sound and spelling, silent B. Read the following words after your teacher. The letter B is silent in these words. Students, here some words are given and in these words the letter B is silent, okay? So first I will read these words and you have to repeat after me. L-A-M-B, lamb. Students, here B letter is silent, okay? Lamb. B-O-M-B, bomb. B-O-M-B, bomb. D-O-U-B-T, doubt. Here also B letter is silent. D-E-B-T, debt. Okay. So here also B letter is silent. Now exercise D1A. Underline the silent B in the following words. Students, here some words are given and you have to underline the silent B, okay? B-O-M-B, bomb. So here last B is silent, okay? So underline this letter B. Then C-L-I-M-B, climb. Here also last B letter is silent. So underline this letter B. Next, C-O-M-B, comb. Here also B letter is silent. So underline this letter B. Then L-I-M-B, limb. Here also B is silent. Then D-U-M-B, dumb. Here also B letter is silent. Then T-H-U-M-B, thumb. So here also B letter is silent. So underline this letter B. then NUMB, numb. So here also you have to underline the silent B. Then TOMB, tomb. So here also B letter is silent. So underline this letter B. Now we will do B exercise. Some words need silent B at the end. Write B where necessary. Students, some words need silent B. Okay. So we have to write B where necessary. Okay. HUM dash. So यहाँ पे B नहीं आएगा. Okay. हम. Then DUMB. Students, here you have to write B later. Okay. DUMB, dumb. Then COM dash. So here we need silent B. Okay. COMB, com. Then RIM dash, ring. Here no need of writing B. Okay. Now exercise D2. Underline the silent letters in the following words. Students, here some words are given and you have to underline the silent letter. Okay. VOULD, wood. So here which is the silent letter? L is the silent letter. So underline this letter L. Then WRONG, wrong. So here W is the silent word. So underline the W. FORM, firm. So here R is the silent word. Then DOUBT, doubt. So here B is the silent letter. Then KNOW, no. Here K is the silent word. NUMB, numb. Here B is the silent letter. RHYME. Here H letter is the silent word. Okay. And last WATCH, watch. Here T letter is the silent word. Okay. So students, here we finish this poem and their exercise. Okay. Now your homework is write these word meanings and exercise A, B1, B2, C and exercise D1A, B and exercise D2 in your English notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.